Hey guys, if you've ever asked why we do not bag clippings when we mow, I'm going to go over that real quick. It's a pretty simple explanation. There are normally two of the big reasons. One is when we mulch, we actually put those clippings back down into your ground, into the lawn, and over time microbes will break that down and they'll turn that into fertilizer. So if you really think about it, and it's a very small amount, but we are organically fertilizing your lawn by doing that. It is a great way for the ecosystem in your lawn, and we're feeding organisms that are in the ground. We're returning a lot of the nutrients back instead of taking them off site. And the other big one is that if you bag those clippings and you take them away, they have to go somewhere. There are some cities that have already started to say no to any lawn clippings in the landfills. They don't want them in there. They take up too much room, and there's no reason for it when you can just mulch it and leave it down on the ground. Those are the two big reasons. It is a there's a lot of waste there that has to go somewhere when there's no specific reason for it. There's a rare instance to when you have some severe diseases or something like that. If you live up north with like some of the Kentucky bluegrass, and you may need to remove some of these clippings if you've gotten, there's a lot of things in there, whether it's just too tall or you've got some severe disease that you really need to reduce the amount of thatch that's building up. But we don't really deal with that here. We actually want all that to go back down in there. If y'all have any questions, just leave it in the comments and we will get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.